Good afternoon from London. So, had a pretty subdued session today so far, and that's after yesterday's first of two EU summits, second being on Wednesday, both in Brussels. So market participants were digesting comments from Sunday and looking ahead to any sort of decisive action being taken on Wednesday. So we saw sources today that said full parliamentary voting will take place in Germany on those two EFSF leveraging. So that's before the EU summit on Wednesday. There was originally 7 planned, so now just the 2. They'll be voting on those. In terms of other news out of Europe, we also said that Italy is going to be mulling over pension reforms, and we saw the ECB announce their bond purchases under the S&P programme. So we saw a bit of an increase. It was previously 2.24 billion. Last week came in at 4.49, so almost a twofold increase there. And in terms of the US, not much news flow today at all, really. So we saw the Fed's Chicago Activity Index that came in slightly worse than expected. Water forecast for minus 0.1 came in at minus 0.22. We also saw Caterpillar earnings pre-market, so that beat EPS forecast and beat on revenue as well. So they were up around 4.2% pre-market trading. Now we also saw in terms of fixed income the Fed's Treasury outright coupon purchase. The maturity range of February 36 to August 41. So the purchase came mid-range of expectations of 2.5 billion, and their submitted accepted ratio came in slightly higher at 2.96. Now looking ahead, there's nothing really left on the economic calendar. However, we do have Fed Studley speaking a little bit later on. But for now, that's it from me. Enjoy the rest of the session.